Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Looker datasets and explores using exports. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup Looker datasets and explores using exports, begin by logging into your Looker account. Navigate to the Looker project that contains the datasets you want to backup. Identify the specific dataset or explore you intend to export. Click on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the dataset or explore page. From the drop-down menu, select the Download option. Choose your preferred file format for the export. Common formats include CSV, Excel, or JSON, depending on your requirements. Confirm any additional settings related to the export format if prompted. Proceed by clicking the Download button to initiate the export process. Wait for the export to be generated. This may take a moment based on the dataset size. Once the export is ready, the file will typically download automatically to your device. Verify the export by locating the downloaded file in your designated Downloads folder. Open the exported file to ensure the data has been captured as expected. Repeat these steps for any additional datasets or explores you wish to backup. For larger datasets or batch exports, consider using Looker's scheduling features for automated exports. To do this, navigate back to the dataset or explore. Click on the gear icon and select Schedule. Set the frequency and format for the scheduled report. Fill in the necessary email addresses for delivery if needed. Finally, save the scheduled export settings to ensure your data is regularly backed up. By following these steps, you can effectively back up Looker datasets and explores using exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.